out, we must do it in a manner that does not help them bring their, help them promote their goal. One of the things it does is it instills a lot of fear in the people that live within that particular area. So when these people invade their towns or their communities, you know, they feel from what they expect in the media that, oh, the army is running away, the army is scared. You know, they have no hope but to just submit. And I really do think that's why the insurgents are because in every single community that they go, they find people that are resistant, but people cannot be out of the system because they're scared, because they've read the media that the army is not even ready to come and help engage them. So what do? They submit. So after a long period of time, you get them, you know, they start becoming one and the same with the insurgents. So please, I don't know what form we're going to take. I don't know whether there's a necessity for the editor to kind of sit down to see how we can tackle this issue. Not in so much that we cover stories, but we do it in such a manner that does not help and in such a manner that will show us as Nigerians, regardless of our demographic, regardless of our crime or religion, as being one. Thank you very much, Mr. Please.